I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very difficult question to simplify with exponents. It is a test question. I'd like you to pause the video, copy the question, and then try it out. Afterwards, you can look into my suggestion. The question is, simplify square root of 27 to the power of 4x minus 2 times 216 to the power of 8x plus 2 divided by 3 to the power of 3x minus 1 times 9 to the power of 4 minus 3x. Using exponents laws, rewriting answer with positive exponents. Okay, let us simplify. 27 can be written as 3 cube, right? So we'll write square root of 27 as 3 to the power of 3, which is 27, right? 27 is 3 to the power of 3. And then this square root, I will write this square root as half, correct? Square root is half. And then we have a power here outside, which is 4x minus 2. So we'll write 4x minus 2. So that is how I'm going to rewrite this term. And now let's look into 216 to the power of 8x plus 2. Well, 216 could be written as 6 cube, right? So that is 6 cube. So instead of 216, I'm writing 6 cube. And I have to the power of 8x plus 2. So we'll write this as 8x plus 2 divided by, all this divided by 3 to the power of 3x minus 1. And 9 is 3 squared. So we'll write 3 to the power of 2. And then we'll multiply that with 4 minus 3x. 4 minus 3x, right? So in a way, we could write this function with rational exponents, kind of like this. Now we'll simplify each term. So that is, we'll apply the power rule. We'll multiply in layers. So 3 gets multiplied with half, that is 3 over 2, which gets multiplied to 4x minus 2. So what we get here is 3 to the power of 3 over 2 of 4x minus 2, is it okay? Times 6 to the power of 3 times 8x plus 2 divided by, we have 3 to the power of 3x minus 1, and then all this. We can add them up, right? So we have 3 to the power of, we'll add them up, 3x minus 1, open this, so we have plus 8 and minus 6x, is that okay? So we could write it kind of like this. Now one more step, let us simplify. So when you do 3 over 2, then you can divide these by 2 and then multiply by 3. So one by one, let's expand this. So we get 3 to the power of, so when you divide by 2, we get 2, or you could say 12x divided by 2 as 6x. So we get 3 to 6x minus 3, right? And these are the numbers in the denominator. They should be taken away from here since you are dividing by this, right? So we'll write this as minus 3x. We'll simplify later. Minus 1 plus 8 is minus 7. So we'll reverse the sign, say plus 7. And minus 6s is plus 6x. We'll write this. So this is, we are taking care of 3's. The other term is 6 to the power of 3 times 8, 24, x plus 6, right? 3 times 2. So that is what we get. Now let us take these terms to the right side, simplify them a bit. So what we have here is 3 to the power of, let's combine all these terms. 6x minus 3x is 3x, 3x plus 6x is 9x. So 3 to the power of 9x. As far as numbers are concerned, 7 minus 3 plus 4, right? So we get 4. 6 is 2 times 3, right? So we could also write 6 as 2 times 3 to the power of 24x plus 6, right? Okay. So now we can combine these 3 powers with this 3 powers. So we have 3 to the power of 9x plus 4. Look here, this could be written as 3 to the power of 24x plus 6 times 2 to the power of 24x plus 6. Do you see that? So now we can combine these two terms. So it becomes 3 to the power of, add them up. 9 plus 24 is 33. So we have 33x plus 6 plus 4 is 10. And here we have 2 to the power of 24x plus 6. So finally, we get this as our answer, right? So it becomes 2 to the power of 24 plus 6 and 3 to the power of 33x plus 10, right? So that is how we are going to solve it. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.